Hi everyone, this is one of my new effects called Masquerade. As you can see, it's a Masquerade face mask in augmented reality. I made it for Instagram. As you can see, there are sparkles, and if you close your eyes, blink, even more. Sorry. So there's another option. You can see there are blue eyes, but you can hide it and have your own eyes by just tapping on the screen. Now I can see my own eyes. You can tap again and restore the blue eyes. There's also a slight glitter and blush and lipstick, as you can see. And I'm sure it's gonna look better on you than it's on me. Also long eyelashes, a bit colored, and eyeshadow. Now I haven't made many beauty effects lately, but I've decided to try to spend time and making those as well. I usually try to make different type of filters, not focusing on certain ones, but when I like something, I do more of it. So this is Masquerade. You can find it on my Instagram. So how do you get it? Visit my Instagram. A link will be in the description of this video below. And just tap the smiley icon to see my filters, and then scroll down until you see Masquerade, and you're going to see an image of it, and then just tap it in order to start using it. I hope you enjoyed this one. More filters are coming. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon so you can get notified when I release new filters and new video reviews about them. Thank you. See you soon.